CL John, the Minister of Forest, Environment and Climate Change, just arrived in Dimapur, and he has said that stringent measures and strict measures will be taken in terms of Wildlife Protection and Conservation Act. He has also said that since this is his first term as the Minister of Forest, Environment and Climate Change, he said that he is assuring us that stringent and strict measures will be taken with a penalty to those who are making an offense under the Wildlife Protection Act. Let's have a look at what he spoke to media persons at the Dimapur airport.
Sir, itu par Nagaland de rukhi taka nishna hotai sal amar falcon aigina pungchiche aro sir Nagaland de alak alak pusti de season pungchina hunting bi shuru hoise would be sir under the Wildlife Protection Act aro Conservation Act itu par under your ministership sir itu par protection olop to koribo na nokoribo sir
kine ka jawole ase sir apni khan steps to kine lole ase
ami khan department laga DFO khan sabko order diya ase etu namare bole na kati bole
penalty
etu to thaki jabo sir thora paile to penalty to koriboi lagibo.
And this time, like one nishna Amur Falcon kan aina ase, so any stringent rule kan edu Amur Falcon ke hunting na jawole nishna inni Wokha district e thakibo na
thakibo order poila digni ase arabi dibo etu barbi.
Alright, and so what is the status of the Autonomous Council of the ENPO right now, and according to you, sir, being part of the ENLU?
Under discussion te ase.
Still under discussion.
Not yet this, it is under discussion.
And so under Wildlife Protection Act, in these markets like Dimapur, big markets are there, supermarket huwi, new market huwi, tade apni khan bhi checking jaina na chai under the department to make sure that alak species khan ke protect kurole laga under Wildlife Protection Act. Idu apni khan checking jaina na jai aro jawona na jawo.
Etia tak to ami knowledge nahi. Jaise na kobo kila ami to notun ase to.
Yes, sir.
Kintu from this set to jaboli dibo. Order
So
dibo.
are you going to assure us of that, sir?
Yeah, ami tibab logo order dibo.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, sir.